Hi there, it's December 2021, an update of the portfolio and the new stock I added to my daughter's dividend portfolio. How are you today? Welcome to my channel where you can follow my journey to set up and maintain a dividend portfolio for my 6-year-old daughter. And of course, I review the new stock that was added to the portfolio this month. I started buying dividend stocks for my daughter for at least $50 each month starting January 2020, when she was just 4. And next to that, I bought 0.01 Bitcoin, which is growing 4 to 5% yearly. Watch the whole video to find out which stock I bought for December and why. December 2021. I bought the 24th dividend paying stock and will give an overview of the portfolio and the market in November. And I will present the stock I bought. If you are new and like to follow my journey and see the dividend portfolio of my daughter grow, then please consider subscribing. I upload a new video each month at least. Let's do a small recap from my previous videos and discuss the market, the S&P 500 as well as Bitcoin and the portfolio in November. I have bought 23 dividend paying stocks. I diversified along each sector according to eToro, the broker I use. I have ensured that there are dividend payouts each month, which are at least $1 in dividend payouts. So I can invest this directly the next month in the new dividend stock. And so, what happened in November? After October did very well, in November we started just above 4,600 and ended just below 4,600. The downtrend was mostly in the last week of November. The portfolio went down from 70% in the green to 13.5% in the green. Most stocks went down, some even quite a lot. Disney and Merck went down around 70 percent points and Philips even 24. On the plus side, 3 stocks went up between 5 and 10 percent points, like Home Depot. However, Pfizer went up 25 percent points. Quite some differences in the portfolio. Bitcoin eventually dropped from 61k at the start of November to 57k at the end of November. In between, it hit 69k, a new all-time high. And BlockFi gave a nice interest, which resulted in an additional 3,860 Satoshi. And with the received interest of the previous months, I have in total 1,069,963 Satoshi. If you're interested in BlockFi, where you can open an interest account and buy Bitcoin, you can use the link below. It gives a $10 bonus when you invest $100 or more. I received $3.80 in dividend payouts in November, a new record. Dividends of AT&T, Clorox, NextEra Energy Partners, AbbVie, Hormel Foods, and O combined resulted in $1.95. However, since O completed the spin-off of substantially all of its office assets into a new independent publicly traded REIT called Orion Office REIT, this resulted in an extra dividend payout of $1.85. So in total, I received $3.80. And of course, this will be added to the stock to buy in December along with $50. This month, I looked for another REIT next to O to add to the portfolio. I found VICI Properties, a REIT that owns casinos, hotels, and racetracks. Not I am a fan of casinos and gambling in particular, but as I mentioned before, I kinda have a thing with the southwest of the United States, mostly because of the stunning national parks. But you can almost not go around Las Vegas when you are there. And so when I saw VICI Properties owning some real estate in Las Vegas, like Caesar's Palace, I decided to add these stocks to the portfolio with a nice dividend of close to 5%. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment and a bit of educational purposes only. Any investments has risks, so do your own research. And so I bought VICI Properties on the first day of December for $53.80. If you like this video, please consider liking or sharing this video and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me to grow this channel. Thanks for watching and see you next video.